Alan, it also have the original wheels on it, date coated wheels. Windshield and all of that fits nice. The hood fits nice. Obviously it needs to be worked a bit. Hood cable is there. It does not appear to have any fenders changed or anything like that. Inner fenders has a little hole here, but otherwise inside here can be cleaned up. No sign of accidents, you know, and all the frame bars and that. Cigarette, the original windows are in it all over. Horn buttons, instruments, you know, lights and all of that stuff is in here. The mats are in it. It's been sitting a long time, but it is a 57. 356A. We have in here original transmission, sound deck, no signs of accidents in the back rain gutters or anything like this. And definitely the original trunk lid on it. So here we go.